speaking to our even reseller. We would like to know about the new platform that you've launched, the Hive Pro.
So Hive Pro is an innovation in a very special way because it brings you instant ROI. It's an automated cloud marketplace with intelligent automation. What it means is it can deliver the applications in much faster time frame, reduce your time to do POCs and deployments, and also give you instant ROI in terms of better margins, more chances of making revenues by selling more to the customers.
So what are the challenges, current challenges in the market, and how is Hive Pro equipped to overcome those challenges?
So if you look at challenges in the market, it's probably two challenges which every channel ecosystem faces. One is scarcity of skills. Today, there are hardly skills available in the cybersecurity and niche technologies. Second is time to market their products. We see that every customer today goes through a proof of concept, a demo in his environment, which means that the technologies have 3 to 4 weeks of period of demonstration. That is a big challenge because you not only take time to demonstrate those for 3-4 weeks, but also in terms of mobility of resources and cost to an organization.
So when is this platform going live, and when are you starting to get sign-ons from your customers and resellers?
So it's already in a testing phase, beta testing phase. We're going to commercially launch the product on 1st of December 2019. That will be the go-to-market date.
Okay, and how do you plan to onboard your channel partners and customers? Is there a criteria that they need to fit into? Is there any paperwork? Do they need to sign up somewhere?
So it's going to be a cloud-based management platform. We'll have a portal, hivepro.cloud, where people can register for themselves and we can give them access to the features. Now, one of the most important part of Hive is the time to market. When I say that, I'll give you an example. Now, we have vendors like Tenable and BlackBerry, which we have demonstrated. A typical Tenable presentation used to take 3 working days. We have reduced that down to 18 minutes. Can you imagine? 18 minutes. And this process is completely automated from an end-to-end perspective, which is zero touch. So you don't need certified engineers. You don't need people on the ground. Everything is automated, available anytime, anywhere. That's the power of automation which Hive Pro is bringing to the channels, to the vendors, and to the customers across the globe.
So what kind of opportunities exist in this kind of a platform? Because it's a kind of a unique platform which is being launched by Spectrami. So what kind of opportunities exist for customers and resellers?
So it's a very interesting opportunity in the sense that today customers are deploying solutions either in the cloud, which is your Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and so many other clouds, or on-premise, which has been the traditional approach, and a combination which is hybrid. Now this platform helps them with all the 3 cases. You can either deploy on-prem, hybrid, or a cloud. And when you have that faster cycle, today we are launching the product with 5 vendors: Logarithm, Tenable, BlackBerry, Red Hat, and Micro Focus 45 solution. We have a list of vendors who are just waiting in line to get onboarded and deliver the value through this platform. So this is the first phase of the launch. In the second phase, what we intend to do is create digital workforce. So today, if you look at Stanford report, which says there will be shortage of 3.5 million cybersecurity professionals by 2022. Now, what we are doing to address this is creating digital workforce, automated workforce. Like in a SOC, you need 15 to 20 people, but 60% of the process can be automated through the bots. So what we are doing is we are creating those security analyst profiles and automating their roles and selling it as a digital workforce. That is again going to revolutionize the space in the times to come.
So once people start signing up to this platform, one of the things that they look at, two major things that they look at is one is customer support and one is security aspect of it as well. How is Spectrami approaching these 2 aspects? Do you have, like, for support, do you have a knowledge base? Do you have a ticketing system? How do they get in touch with your tech support team? And what are you doing in terms of security as well?
So there are 2 different important aspects. So from a support perspective, we have got a Hive University, which we are creating. We have got tutorials, that video tutorials, a lot of documentation, a lot of case studies for you to learn. And then we would have through the Hive University a course to implement. The idea is it has to be plug and play. You don't need to really be very, very knowledgeable enough to run the product. The product itself says intelligent automation. So it should be done by anyone, everyone by touch of the button. The only thing that you need is a prerequisite, which is a web form, which will people fill in for the prerequisite information required for installation. That's it. Now, after that, there's no human intervention required. On the security side, we are hosting it in AWS and Azure, and we are deploying a strong secure network around it.
And in terms of strategies, you said that it'll be in phases. Will the sign-on also be in phases in terms of, say, the geographical reach, or is it open to anyone once the platform goes live?
It's a cloud-based platform. And the beauty of cloud is, day one, it is open to anyone across the globe who wants to sign up. And we intend to do a strong on-the-ground campaign in EMEA market. That's our first focus, and followed by the US and the rest of the world. But it will be available to all the customers globally, whoever wants to sign up and get the intelligent automation features into their offerings.
So once it goes live, maybe what are your strategies maybe for the next 3 or 6 months? What do you want to, maybe the platform you want to iron out, the issues that you might face once it goes live? You obviously will be gathering inputs from your partners and customers.
So the beauty is the product has been tested for the last several months, and it's a very stable platform. I can assure you that. But yes, as we launch with 5 vendors, the focus would be in the next 12 months, 6 months to 18 months, would be to add more and more vendors to automate their processes. So from 5, the idea is we should reach at least 100 of them in the next 24 months.
Thank you for speaking to Arabind recently. It was nice having you with us.
Thank you so much. I can tell you this is something, wow, you have never seen this in the enterprise world. It is bringing App Store concept, which you have seen in the consumer world, to the enterprise market. Watch out for it. Visit www.hivepro.cloud for more information.